Label makers are essential tools for organizing and identifying items in the office or at home. From handheld to desktop models, the best label makers offer versatility, ease of use, and high-quality prints. Whether you need to label files, containers, or cables, there's a label maker to meet your needs. In this video, we are going to show some of the best label makers that are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. DYMO 160 Portable Label Maker. For a more organized outlook and easily identifiable stock, the DYMO 160 Portable Label Maker prints durable, water-resistant labels that make it easier to tag products, take stock, and access files. The QWERTY keyboard is no different from the form available on laptops, computers, and phones, making it easy to locate keys and type fast, getting the job done flawlessly. With the number keys on top and the letter keys well arranged below, users can easily customize texts with the 6 font sizes and 8 text styles available. With up to 200 symbols and clip art images to choose from, customization and label designs are relatively easy to compose. The simple design allows easy navigation and controls, with soft one-touch keys that ensure hassle-free typing. Key features: multiple font sizes and styles. Last label memory. Large LCD screen. Uses 6 AAA batteries. Number 2. Rollo Shipping Label Printer. So far, we've covered both home and office label makers made by DYMO. The only slight downside with buying a DYMO label maker is that you have to buy their proprietary labels. The Rollo label printer offers something different. It works with any thermal direct label and can print in a variety of sizes. It's the only true commercial-grade label creator on this list. Sure, it's a little bit more expensive than the alternatives made by DYMO and Brother, but you are likely to save a lot of money on label costs if you use it regularly. Like the DYMO printers, it uses thermal printing technology, so you don't have to replace ink cartridges and toner. This technology has been used by shipping couriers for years, but now it's available at a more affordable price. Key features: prints extremely clear labels. Compatible with direct thermal shipping labels. No ink or toner required. Modern, sturdy and portable design. Number 3. DYMO 1755120 Labelwriter. Thermal label printers deliver a fast, efficient and professional outlook. They are majorly preferred because of their speed and capabilities. The DYMO 1755120 Labelwriter for XL thermal label printer provides the advantage of printing up to 4-inch wide labels. Furthermore, they are equipped with the technology required to print shipping labels. This saves you the cost of paying extra fees to have them printed at the office. The DYMO will print USPS-approved postage slips right from your desktop without hassle. Even more, it prints warehouse labels, barcodes, mailing labels, identification labels in bulk. With the capacity to print up to 53 labels or 129 high-capacity 4-line address labels per minute, this portable thermal printer definitely means business. The high-productivity software has the capacity to print graphics, barcodes, and the likes, such that can be used for postage and commercial purposes. Key features: prints extra-large shipping labels. Highly customizable. Fast and efficient printing. Prints USPS-approved postage. Number 4. Brady BMP21 Plus Handheld Label Printer. The Brady BMP21 Plus is similar to the DYMO Rhino label maker. It's designed for people who are working in a warehouse or trade environment. Like most handheld label makers, it has a small LCD screen and a comprehensive keyboard to make your labels. The keyboard on this one isn't laid out like a computer, like QWERTY, but instead is laid out in alphabetical order. It prints in color and you can choose from 6 different font sizes, 6 to 40 point. It's perfect for labeling in voice and data communications, electrical and wire marking, Lean 5S, and just general warehouse situations. It can also handle a lot of different materials, such as outdoor vinyl, nylon cloth wire ID, standard polyester, and chemical-resistant polyester. Battery life is important when you're working long days. It can be powered by 6 AA batteries, which will last for a decent amount of time. But we'd suggest buying the separate lithium-ion battery, which will easily last for a whole day. Key features: past shock and vibration testing per mil, STD 810G. Drop lock and print technology. Superior chemical resistance. Up to 10 years durability assured. Number 5. Brother P-Touch PTD 600 Label Maker. The Brother P-Touch PTD 600 is the perfect middle ground between a portable label maker and a desktop label maker. In fact, it is basically both. It can either be controlled using the QWERTY keyboard and screen, or you can plug it into your computer and control it from there. That makes it suitable for home, office, and warehouse use. When you're using it as a portable label maker, it can be powered by AA batteries, not included. The screen is full color and gives you an accurate visualization of the label you're about to print. It also detects what color the tape is you're using, which is a feature we've not seen yet. Plus, it has an easy-to-use keyboard that allows you to create labels from 14 fonts, 11 font styles, 99 frames, and over 600 symbols. Key features: can be used as a portable or desktop label maker. 14 fonts, 11 font styles, 99 frames, and over 600 symbols. Works with Brother P-Touch tape. Powered by AA batteries or AC adapters.